Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2056A. 39,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Granite crystal metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Ram seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Seat bottoms flip up, giving you a flat cargo surface. Upgraded 9-speaker Alpine sound system with subwoofer. Matching fiberglass cap. Locking tailgate, backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, and dual automatic temperature control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often, and integrated trailer brake control. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices, and dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.